you got it. Hey.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So before I even get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming up, so make sure that you are up to date on those and you get the notification. But anyways, you know I don't like my videos to be long, so I'm going to try on the My First Wig for you all. I forgot the exact name for it, but I just named her Monica. But I think it's like MC something, but I'll put all the information down below again, just in case you didn't get it on the last video. So real quick update, this is not the first time I wore this wig. Sorry, I actually installed it and I glued it down with the bow hole active, and then I looked at it, went outside, and I decided it was too dark, so I actually lightened it with the L'Oreal Experience number 4, the color number 4. So you can get that from Sally's, and I used a 4D volume developer, and I just put it basically as much all over the hair as I could, and I got in the shower, got out, and rinsed it out. So that was basically it. So it did lighten a little bit. Another thing that I did was I also made the lace at the front even and kind of cut it down, so as you can see it looks like a perfectly good hemline. So it is still a little damp, but that's okay. I decided not to wear it glued anymore because I want to be able to take my hair off and moisturize my scalp when needed, so I won't be doing that anymore. So I will be using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, just a little bit of it just to kind of hold it down, but other than that I'm just going to leave it on. I do have the adjustable straps in the back. It's close to each other as I can get it, because like I said, I really don't want it to slide back that much, but all I do is go to work, so I'm not doing a lot of physical activity where I think it'll come off.
You got it, girl, you got it. Girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real,
Like,
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Real ass bitch,
Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.
real ass bitch.
Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. Give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Real ass bitch,
Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.
real ass bitch.
Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.